What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. I'm back, you guys, with another I Love Cactus haul. So let's go ahead and jump right into my haul. Now, these are some items from my collection. These are not new items. I just didn't want to have a basic white background for my intro. These are some items that I've gotten in the past. This I got from, I think it was Staples for 50 cents. These items came from Target's Dollar Spot last year, 2 erasers for $1. And this was sent to me in a friend mail. I believe it came from the 99-cent only store. But I want to share with you guys some new items. I got this actually during Black Friday, and I don't know what I was thinking, but I totally forgot to share this with you guys. I think I paid $6 for this. This is an undated planner. It was originally $14.99 here in the US. And I just think it looks so pretty. Of course, it's still sealed, so I don't know if we're going to have a lot of cactus varieties inside or not, but the cover is beautiful. Now, this next one is not totally all the way cactus, but as you can see, it has, and I just love the pink, it has a succulent on it, and it has a cactus and some cute other little kawaii faces. I just love the neon pink. This just makes me so happy. And the back is super cute too. I think there's a donut on the back. Oh, it's a fortune cookie on the back, you guys. It's a fortune cookie and it says hashtag blessed. So I had to include that. To me, if it's at least one cactus item, then I gravitate towards it, and then it makes it into my I Love Cactus haul. These just came in a friend mail. What do you guys think about this? I think I'm in love. This is a cactus car charger, and I love that we have the triple USB because my kids always want to use at least one of my outlets, and sometimes that's a dilemma. So anyways, you guys, I really love this, and this came from my friend here on YouTube, 504 Pretty Things. Thank you so much. I love all my goodies. I'm going to show some other things that she sent. She also sent a really cute non-cactus salt and pepper shaker set from Target. The cute little slug bugs with the green trees on the top, and I so almost got that, and I really love them. I was like, oh, I shouldn't spend the money and get it, and I didn't get it, but she sent it my way, so I am going to love using that for Christmas next year. And here is another item that I'm going to love using for Christmas next year. It's so cute, you guys. Look at it with the little Santa hat. The brand is GC Naturals in vanilla cinnamon, and it's a high fragrance sachet. This is so cute. I love it. I don't know where she got this, but I love it, and I love the bumpy texture. If you guys love things like this, glass cactus, then definitely check out my Hobby Lobby Shop with Me cactus decor video that I just put up. They have so many cute cactus things for this spring, and they're already 40% off, and I'm sure you guys can use your coupons with those to make them an even better deal. Here is another really pretty item that I'm looking forward to using. Luxe Cactus Metallic LED Light Decor. String light decor to style any room. These are by Mercury Innovations, and I love them. You get 8.5 feet of gorgeous cactus lights, and we get 10 lights total, and it is battery operated. I can't wait to hook these up. Oh, look at the back, you guys. So pretty. Looks like she got these from TJ Maxx. Often I'm trying to stay out of TJ Maxx because I always find so many things that I want to buy. But after seeing this, I might have to start going in TJ Maxx on a more regular basis. And it's right next to Tuesday Morning, which that's another store I love going in, but I often try to stay out of it because I find so many deals and so many things I want, and then I'm like, oh, I shouldn't spend all this money. It's so hard just to look sometimes. But I think these are so pretty. So, so pretty. I love them. And then I have, what else do I have to share with you guys? Just a couple more things. I got these in a package recently from my BFF. She sent me a bunch of Daiso items. I love these pencils with these erasers. I love the bright pink. I probably won't ever use the eraser because I just love it so much, and it's on a cute little pencil that has kind of spiky hearts, or maybe they're just hearts, I'm not sure. But I really love these, and she actually sent 2. And I think these probably came from Office Max. These came from Seattle. So these came from Seattle. Kendra, she's in Texas. These came from Texas, Houston, Texas. So these 2 items came from Houston. And this one as well, unless she got them online, so I don't know, but I'm thinking they probably came from Houston. This beauty, I believe, also came from Office Max, and this came from Seattle, and I just love it. I just love Cactus on everything. This is the Devoga brand. It's a cute little pencil pouch. And you guys know I have a couple other pencil pouches that are Cactus themed. I have 4 of them actually, 4 other pencil pouches. 2 of them are being used in my purse right now. And you know what, you guys? Even though you've probably already seen them, let me grab them and show you just a little something else, because these other items I believe you can still find. I'm showing you these first. It's just what I grabbed first. You can find these for $3 in your Target dollar spot. They have 2 other varieties, and these are separate little frames. And no, I still haven't hung these up, but I am planning to. I'm planning on hanging up a lot of new things for springtime. I really love this set, you guys. It came from Walmart, and I haven't started using it yet, but I really like it. They also have a little bag that's probably this size that kind of looks like a mini makeup bag with this same sort of canvas material, this same blue. A different, totally different print though. They have something like that in the store as well. And then it came with this one. So it's a 2-piece set. But I really love that. And you get it on both sides. However, the blue one is just blue on one side. And I really like the brown. We have the brown zipper area. And you can use this like a little wristlet if you want. I probably never would. These are my newest things. The pencil pouch, the pencils, the gorgeous cactus lights. Love those. I can't wait to use this car charger. That's so cute. The 2 planners, of course, from Michaels. And this little boy here, he'll be set aside for next Christmas. He smells so, so good. I really love how he smells. And I'm thinking that I could probably put whatever I want inside. If I wanted to put a different sort of sachet inside, I could just go ahead and fill a little cute bag and stuff it up inside. But yeah, I love this, you guys. Thank you so much, Kendra, and thank you so much to my BFF for sending these items. You guys really know how to put a smile on my face, and I am so appreciative for everything sweet and kind that you guys do for me. Well, hey, you guys, that wraps up yet another I Love Cactus haul. I really wasn't planning on doing one again this soon, so I hope you guys liked it if you're totally into cactus like me. And be sure you guys check out my I Love Cactus playlist. I believe this makes video number 6 or 7. I'm not sure. But if you guys love cactus and you need more cactus in your life, please go ahead and check out my I Love Cactus playlist. Well, alright you guys, that's it for me. If you love this video, hit the thumbs up button, share with me down in the comments below, smash that notification bell, and if you guys haven't yet, hit that little button subscribe. Well, alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.